Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm your host, Christina Collins. After becoming a publishing company, Crown Equity Holdings Incorporated, symbol CRWE, has been evolving into a worldwide online multimedia advertising publisher. The company's focus is on the distribution of current information to a target audience which advertisers want to reach. For growth, CRWE must diversify, which is why the Crown Equity family is continuing to expand. The Crown family consists of CRWE Domains, CRWE Real Estate, CRWE Tube, CRWE Newswire, CRWE Direct, CRW Ad Services, CRWE Finance, and CRWE Press Release. Crown Equity Holdings CRW Ad Services is a full-service multimedia advertising company specializing in internet marketing, and the company's latest addition, CRWE Tube, a video sharing site, allows billions of people around the world to upload, watch, and share original videos. Crown Equity Holdings is paving the way worldwide in how they communicate, from buying and selling goods to how people receive news, and by uniting our world through global communications. Today, Crown Equity Holdings' vision is clear, their mission is profound, and they believe the future is endless. I'm Christina Collins, and thank you for joining me.